Chase Inc. Business Unlimited pricing explained what you get for your money. The Chase Inc. Business Unlimited card is perfect for business owners who want straightforward cash back without worrying about categories. Most people get this wrong. They assume all business cards are complicated, but the surprising truth is this one keeps it simple. You earn a flat 5% cash back on every purchase with no spending caps or category restrictions. For example, if your business spends 0 monthly, you'll earn annually, automatically credited to your account. The card has an annual fee, making it ideal for businesses of any size. There's also a welcome bonus of cash back after spending $500 in the first 3 months, giving a quick boost to your rewards. Additional perks include purchase protection, extended warranty coverage, and no foreign transaction fees, making it a versatile choice for businesses that operate globally. In conclusion, the Chase Inc. Business Unlimited card is a simple yet powerful option for business owners who want consistent rewards on every dollar spent. With no annual fee, a generous welcome bonus, and easy-to-use cash back, it's an excellent all-round business credit card.